6.235 trillion budget, nilagdaan, edukasyon, nalugi. 6.235 trillion pesos o mahigit 17,082,191,780 pesos ang nilagdaang budget ng pamahalaan para sa fiscal year 2025 nitong December 30 ni PBBM. Nagtaas ang budget ng mahigit 8% kumpara sa 5.768 trillion budget para sa fiscal year 2024. Nagkagahol-gahol pa nga si PBBM dahil sa backlash na natanggap ng budget dahil ziniro ang subsidy ng PhilHealth para sa universal healthcare.
Or scrutinizing the budget.
We do not need to thank the public.
No, is it fair to say that criticism over the budget as submitted by Congress led to something like yung conditional
No,
provisions in AKAP?
no. Because even without the calls for strict scrutiny, the President will always see to it that he does that. We do that. Alam nyo si Presidente, you give him more credit than you are giving him now. He's a very ready, he's not a lawyer. He's more an economist, a finance guy, a political guy. Magaling si Presidente. Hindi nyo lang kasi binibigyan ng credit eh. Kasi hindi nagmumura.
So yung BARM election, may result na yung
And you can check my NIDW Major Tidbit para dyan. Kasama pa si Secretary Angara na naglabas ng dismay niya to the fact na nabawasan na I think 10 billion or 20 billion yung budget ng DepEd, which was supposed to be used para sa digitization at computerization ng mga paaralan. With Grace Poe even saying na ang Department of Education ay para sa mga teachers. Yung teachers, hindi dapat natin focus yung computers kasi teachers ang gumagawa lahat.